Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the date and time in your Windows 10 computer. Now the first thing you have to do is go to start and then type in time. You'll see date and time settings at the top. Click on it. Now from here, if you see that the set time automatically is turned on, what you have to do first is turn it off. Now after that, if you want to go the easy way, you can just select the time zone from here. So just click here and select any time zone that you want. It's basically the city or the country where you live in, and then the time and date will be set automatically. But if you want to do it manually, what you have to do is click on change, and from here you can select or change the date and time. From here you can change the month and the day, and from here the year, and from here you can change the time, of course the hour, minute, and AM or PM, whatever you like. And after that, once all the changes are done, you can just click on change, and that way the time and date will be changed. Or you can also just enable the automatic time, and that way the time will be automatically updated always. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.